Okay, so let's see what they have at a vending machine at a light rail station. They got some drink, some more drink. Look, Pokemon. Who wants a Pokemon? Ooh, I don't really care, but my students might love it. And my friend, hi laddie, laddie, this is for you. It's $1. 1,000 wons is $1. Cocoa grip. I don't mind trying this. What is no filling of soda beverage? That's what it says. Kind of weird. Huh. Okay. There's something about the Japanese and the Korean. They love their corn silk tea thingy. I don't. Ooh, what is this? It looks like some sort of whatever milky drink thingy. Anyway. There's a TV here at the station. I don't know why we need it. Let's see what it shows. Something about maybe winter hazard. Got no clue. Anyway, here it says Presbyterian University. Okay, so I'm waiting for the train to go to Jinhae to see cherry blossom today. Some more about condition for winter driving or whatever. Okay, the train is coming. You see here the south thing? Okay. That sound means the train is coming. Everybody get ready. It's gonna be another long walking day for me. And my legs are not helping. They are definitely not happy. People, hurry. When you hear that, you know you hurry, or you're gonna miss the train. Ooh, the train bound for Busan. So once I'm at Busan, I'm gonna get off, take the bus to Jinhae. The train bound for Busan is approaching. Oh, people are lining up to get to the train. See that? I should be lining up too, I think. Yes? No? I don't know. Oh. That's not the train that is saying. Am I at the wrong spot? That's where I'm going. I'm supposed to go for the train for Sasa. Is that not the one? Uh-oh. I better be at the right spot. Okay, another train is coming. I hope this is the train that I'm supposed to be on. Wow, everybody's lining up. Do you see that? I will just cut the line, cut them off. Let's get into the train. Alright, okay. Let's have a seat. I'm sorry. Okay, let's see what does it say. She's speaking. So that is where you can tell where you're going. There's a map over there. Let me look. See if I'm in the right spot. See you later, alligator. Bye.